All right, Zoomers and in-classers, I am going to see if I can do this video super quick. Because right now you're at lunch, and so I just want to see if I can do it quickly. If not, dang it. All right, so this video is going to be about doing division and handling remainders, but with the base 10 pieces. So as we did today in math, we looked at this 10 stick. We looked at the 1 pieces. We also looked at these markers. So these markers are here, and the markers denote how many of something. Specifically, they're denoting the divisor. Then we have the markers up top going horizontally. These are the ones we put here to count how many. So let me back up and show you exactly what I'm talking about. So for number 1, Brad and Bethany are getting ready for the grand opening of their baseball shop. Their aunt brought in 63 balloons for the celebration. They decided to divide the balloons equally among the 4 picnic tables that had been set out in front of the shop. How many balloons did each table get? Well, as you can see here, they've already have this worked out, right? However, we do too. So what we figured out this morning is that there were 4 tables, right? Which is what these little markers note. 1, 2, 3, 4. They are 4 of our sections, if you will. Then we thought to ourselves and we said, okay, so there are 63 balloons. How can we go into or get to 63 comfortably or with a friendly number? So we see that because there are 4 tables, we need to figure out what's a friendly number that can go into the 4. So it's 4 tables. We're going to use our 10 stick here. So 10 is going to be here for table 1, 10 for table 2, 10 for table 3, 10 for table 4. That is 10, 20, 30, and 40. That is 40 of our balloons there. So now we need to think to ourselves, what is 63 minus 40? So 3 take away 0 is 3, and then 6 take away 4 is 2. So I'm going to put 23. So we know that we have 23 left. Hold on. And just imagine that these are not here in the corner. So because we have 23 left, now we're going to think, 23 is not the most friendly number. So let's go down to 20, right? 20 is a friendly number. How can we get 20 pieces divided evenly amongst the 4 tables? Remember, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 tables. And from that, we know 20, let's see if we can do this, divided by 10. Oh, look at that. It's a whole different thing. 1 second. Okay, let's do this. 20 divided by 4. Let's see. 20 divided by 4 is 5, which is why we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces here, single pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in all, up here up top, we have 60 balloons. But what do we do with the remaining 3? Before we answer that question, let's figure out how many each table has received. So we know that this is 10 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 plus 5 is 15. So each table has 15 balloons. But again, what do we do with these three? And so I had the kids today think about, what could you do with a balloon? Could you divide a balloon equally? No, because then we would have to pop them. So maybe they put these three somewhere else. Maybe they were in front of the store. Maybe they put them on just a little table to decorate it, or on a mirror. But these three are remaining. So for this problem, the answer is 15, remainder 3 for this problem. And this is how you would write the answer. The equation is this: 63. I'm going to put this for division, because if I put it the other way, it's just not going to populate quickly. 63 divided by 4 equals 15, remainder 3. Let me get my spacing. And that's how we would solve this problem for number 1. Hope that makes sense.